Hello students, once again I am here with the same chapter, triangles and its properties. So students, in previous class we did one sum based on the property sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Today also we will be using the same property, but we will do one sum from our textbook. So exercise 6.4, I am doing question number 4. Exercise 6.4, question number 4. Here we have to prove. What we have to prove? Here we have to prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than it is given AC plus BD. AC plus BD. Now students, first of all, we should find out the triangles. Now first of all, let me take one triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, suppose let me take this is the triangle ACD. This is the rough work. I'm just for explanation I'm doing. Just for explanation, this is students. So this is A, this is C, and this is D. So here what can we write? We can write that AB plus DC is greater than AC. Sum of two sides, that means this side plus this side is greater than the third side. So here we will write the property sum of two sides. Sum of two sides greater than the third sides. Greater than third side. Next, let me take in triangle ABC. Now I am taking triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. A, B, C. So here what can we write? AB plus BC is greater than AC. So reason will be the same. Same reason. See, now again I will take in triangle. I will take now ABD. ABD. Now let me draw the triangle ABD. This is A, this is B, and this is D. So what I am drawing? This is A, B, D. This triangle I am taking. A, B, D. So students, this is the triangle. So here what can we say that? Again here also we can add sum of two sides is greater than third side. So AD plus AB is greater than BD. So there are many question arises. Why I am keeping AC on the right hand side? Can't we write this? Can't we write like this? BD plus AB is greater than AD. This also we can write. But why I am not writing this? There is a reason. This also we can write. This is also a property. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. But I am not writing this. But why? Because in the right hand side in the proof we can see that AC and BD are there. If we go to the proof, this is the proof. Here we can see in the right hand side AC and BD. So that's why I'll have to keep AC and BD on the right hand side. That's why I'm doing like this. So students, we can write like this, but we are keeping AC and BD. Why? Because AC and BD are there on the right hand side. So now in triangle ABD I have taken. ABD I have taken. Now I will take in triangle CBD. Now I take in triangle CBD. Let me rub this part in triangle CBD. In triangle CBD. So students, in triangle CBD, so what we will write? We will write that I have taken CBD. So I will write CD plus BC greater than BD. So this I will write. Reason will be the same. Do. Same reason I am writing. So students, here I have taken the triangles, 4 triangles I have taken. First I took ACB, this triangle, where I have written that ACB, first one ACD. ACD I have taken. Here I have written AD plus DC is greater than AC. AD plus DC greater than AC. Next I took ABC. So what I got, AB plus BC is greater than AC. Then I took this one, ABD. ABD. Here what I have written, AD plus AB is greater than BD. Then again I took DBC. What I have written, CD plus BC is greater than BD. So this we have written. Now students, let me rub this diagram. Let us go to the proof. So now I will add these all. I have to, this is 1, this we can write as 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So now I'll add these all. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This I will write. So now students, if I add these all, that is AD plus AB plus AD plus CD. I'll add these all. AD plus AB plus AD plus CD plus, now I will write BC plus DC plus BC plus AB plus BC. I will write DC plus BC plus AB plus BC is greater than what? I'll add this AC plus BD plus BD. So AC plus BD plus BD plus BD. This I have written. So now what will I write? See, AD plus AD, I will get 2AD plus, again we can see that AB plus AB, 2AB plus, now we will add AD plus AD I have written, AB plus AB I have written. Now CD and DC both are same. I write 2CD plus BC plus BC, 2BC, BC. So let me rub this part, students. So hope students you can understand this one. AD plus AD, twice AD, AB plus AB, twice AB, CD plus DC and CD both are same. So if you get confused, let me write this CD only, otherwise you will get confused. CD. So CD plus CD, 2CD. Then again BC plus BC, twice BC. Now what will I write? Is greater than, this is greater than symbol, I'll write over here, greater than twice AC plus twice BD. In the right hand side also I'll get AC plus AC, twice AC, BD plus BD, twice BD. So now what will I do? Let me take 2 common from here. Here is 2, here is 2, here also 2, here also 2. I'll write like this, 2 common. I'll write AD plus AB plus CD plus BC is greater than, here also take 2 common, AC plus BD. So but students, you give implies over here, implies, okay. Now this all we have got. Now see, AB plus BC plus C, we have to prove this one. Now what will I do, students? Here is 2AD plus AB plus CD plus BC, twice AC plus BD. Now I can cancel these 2. I can cancel these 2, students, remember. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. This is your proof. So hope students you have understood this proof, and if you have any doubts regarding this type of proofs, so you please let me know. We will discuss in the in our live classes. So today this example, this question we have discussed. There are only 5 questions are there. 1 questions I have discussed yesterday. in the previous class, and today number 3 I have discussed in the previous class, number 4 I have discussed today. So students, hope you have understood this, and please go through the video and try to understand, students, this part. Try to understand this. It starts from here. Try to understand the video. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in live classes. So hope, students, you will do it, and your your homework will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. So students, thank you and have a nice day ahead.